Coming.
Hey guys, so actually it's snowing right now and we're going home, but we're actually realizing that the birds are really cold because it's snowing right now and it's really cold, so they're just flying from one tree to the other like every 30 seconds.
To snow, right?
Too much snow. See, look, they're flying to the other tree.
Look, the bird, eh? Yeah, near the bird you can make photos over here. Look.
Yeah, see, look.
Okay.
Stop going.
Okay, then it's finished. Then you can say something.
Okay, so I guess this is it. Bye.